Procrastination isn't a time problem. It's an emotional problem. We don't delay tasks because they're hard. We delay them because they make us uncomfortable. And in today's world, comfort is everywhere. One tap gives you entertainment, escape, and distraction. But everything you want in life sits on the other side of discomfort. That's why procrastination silently destroys dreams. Let me explain something important. When you avoid a task, you're not avoiding the task. You're avoiding the feeling attached to it. Maybe it feels boring. Maybe it feels overwhelming. Maybe it feels uncertain. Your brain chooses the easiest escape: your phone. Scrolling, watching something, or doing anything except what matters. And each time you escape, your mind learns a dangerous lesson. Avoiding the task feels better than doing it. But the good news is this: procrastination is a habit, not a personality trait. And habits can be unlearned. Let me share a story. A student kept postponing an important assignment. He would sit down, open the book, and instantly feel tired, bored, or stressed. One day his mentor told him, "Don't try to finish it. Just work for 2 minutes." He tried it and something changed. 2 minutes became 5. 5 became 20. And by the end of the week, the assignment was done. That day he learned a powerful truth: motivation doesn't start action. Action starts motivation. Rule number 1, start before you feel ready. If you wait for motivation, you will wait forever. But if you start, even for 2 minutes, momentum will take over. Action creates clarity and energy. Rule number 2, break the task into the smallest possible step. Don't say, "I will study for 2 hours." Say, "I will read 1 paragraph." Don't say, "I will clean my room." Say, "I will fold 5 clothes." When the task becomes small, resistance becomes small. Rule number 3, remove the friction. You don't procrastinate because you're lazy. You procrastinate because distractions are too close. Keep your phone in another room. Clear your desk. Close unnecessary tabs. Make distractions hard and your work becomes easy. Rule number 4, use the 10-minute rule. Tell yourself, "I will only work for 10 minutes. Your brain can't resist this. And once you start, you almost never stop. Starting is the only hard part. Rule number 5, identify your trigger. What makes you procrastinate? Is it boredom? Fear? Perfectionism? The moment you understand the emotion behind procrastination, you take back control. Awareness breaks the cycle. Rule number 6, forgive yourself. Self-blame destroys discipline. One bad day doesn't define you. Restarting is more important than being perfect. Every minute is a new beginning if you choose it. And finally, rule number 7, connect your task to your future identity. Don't say, "I need to study." Say, "I am becoming a disciplined person." Don't say, "I need to exercise." Say, "I am becoming stronger." When your identity shifts, your actions follow.